everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I got a collection of this BFF toy set. So let's open it. Oh, we got muffins, I think. Now let's open this box. We got shoes. So some shoes, socks, and we got purse. Cool. And a beautiful necklace just like the doll. Now let's open the doll. I think it is inside this. Tapes. Oh my god, wow. So we got the doll, unbox it. Nice jacket. It's nice legs. Let's put clothes, everything. First socks. ये तो cover. Finally, the doll is ready. So it is looking beautiful. So please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And my doll name is Crystal. Bye guys.